Hi, I am extremely grateful to share that I have been selected at Deloitte as a desktop support engineer in Gurgaon. I would like to thank Avision TechnoServe for their guidance. After completing my graduation, I was unable to secure a job in the technical domain. After joining Avision and receiving proper guidance and training from the trainers, I learned many things about networking, CCNA, Windows administration, and virtualization. After completing the training, the placement team also helped me secure this job. First of all, I would like to thank my HR Sania ma'am, who supported me and provided all the necessary information and training. I would also like thanks to Priya ma'am for their guidance whenever I faced any problem during the placement process. They were always there to help me. Because of their continuous support, I have now been selected for this position. I sincerely thanks Avision TechnoServe and all the trainers and teachers for their guidance. Thank you very much.